To connect the feather extension to your head, you need to have your hair get into strands. So the strands not need too much of the hair, otherwise the interface gonna be too big. Not too little of the hair, otherwise your hair gonna be pulling off as the weight of the feather extension. Then you need have the loop get into the root of your strands, and use a crochet hook, have your hair get into the loop, and then to go around your finger counterclockwise. Then use the hook to pull the hair get into the loop you made, and then make the knot pretty tight and have the knot as close to your scope as possible. Then you need to use the strands that go with the package to twine the knot 3 times and tie it twice. And then the connection gonna be pretty small, secure, and comfortable.